One thing I've noticed recently is that some investors are no longer looking at just Metro Manila. Most people are quietly paying attention to areas connected to the Subic Tarlac Expressway or SCTEX and the growing Central Zone corridor. And honestly, it makes sense to me. Why? Because historically, infrastructure changes where there are growth or where growth is happening. Okay? So, for example, when major expressways improve accessibility, land that once felt too far suddenly becomes connected to business districts, airports, logistics hubs, and future developments. Diba? So that's usually why areas near SCTEX are becoming more interesting to long-term investors. Okay, places around Clark, Capas, parts of Tarlac, and nearby growth corridors are slowly seeing more attention because of their strategic location. You know how faster access to Clark International Airport, New Clark City, including Subic, Olongapo, and multiple industrial and commercial zones connected through the major infrastructures. Okay, and when connectivity improves, business activity usually follows. So then eventually commercial development, housing demand, tourism, land appreciation will also follow, diba? So what's interesting is that many of these areas still don't feel fully developed yet. And that's usually when early investors start positioning themselves quietly. Not because prices are already high, but because they believe infrastructure will continue pushing growth over the next several years. So, of course, not every area near SCTEX will automatically boom overnight. Location still matters, flood risk still matters, accessibility still matters, and actual economic activities still matters. But if you study how major growth corridors develop over time, infrastructure almost plays a major role, diba? So that's why I think more people are starting to watch Central Luzon differently today. Not just as a travel destination, but as a future growth corridor. The question is, which areas near ECTEX will people wish they bought into earlier, 5 or 10 years from now?